Hello from Gardening at Twinsa here in Ireland, and this video is to tell you about a few exciting things that are coming up on my channel. Now, I have several things for you, and the first one I want to tell you about is that this Sunday, the 9th of September, I'm going to be doing a live streaming with William Green from the My Green Pets channel. And any of you who are into orchid growing will remember the chain of videos that William instigated about a year ago, where everybody had to show their orchid collection in 60 seconds, and it was a resounding success. I think almost everyone who had a channel made a video, and a lot of people who didn't. And I'm very pleased to tell you that the live streaming on Sunday is going to be a bit more structured than the ones I've done before, so I think you'll like it. So do check in. I'll remind you about the date and time again a bit later on, but just to give you a heads up here now. So that's the first thing. Second thing I want to tell you about is that I'm getting a new camera, which is great for those outdoor shots. And you may know that I do a lot of garden visits and I make videos about those, and I hope that the quality of the new video camera is going to improve the quality of the video output, so that's definitely to look forward to. What else have I got? I have very soon a surprise guest is going to come here to Douentza, and I'm sure we'll make some videos while that person is here, and that's all I'm going to say for the moment, so I'll leave you to your own devices to speculate as to who that might be. And yeah, so that's going to be really exciting. And then the last thing that's coming up soon is that I am going to take a trip to somewhere of garden slash plant interest, and somewhere a bit unusual and out of the way. And I'm inviting you all, of course, to come along with me, because I'll be making plenty of videos, and hopefully, you know, what with the new camera and the fantastic location that I'll be at, it'll be really fun and exciting, and I hope you'll check back for that. So I suppose that's it, except to say that stay tuned as well, of course, for the usual blend of greenhouse videos, orchid videos, garden visits, and what I usually bring to you, but hopefully with a slightly better camera. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do, to make sure you don't miss out on any of this fun ahead. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks very much for listening. Bye.